Hi everyone! Today we are exploring how our LM vertical roller mill becomes the ultimate solution for power plant desulfurization. With input size up to 50 mm and adjustable output fineness from 30 to 325 mesh, this industrial-grade machine delivers 3 to 250 tons per hour capacity, perfect for large-scale limestone processing. The secret? Our patented grinding system creates ideal 170 to 45 micrometers particles that chemically react with SO2. You'll love the 30 to 40% energy savings compared to ball mills, plus the integrated pulse dust collector keeps emissions under 20 milligrams per cubic meter. The modular roller assembly allows quick maintenance without full shutdowns. Whether you're upgrading existing FGD systems or building new plants, our LM series meets both environmental standards and production demands. Drop your questions below and don't forget to subscribe for more industrial solutions.